I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell into love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart, it's all I own. And in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. I'm barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whisper underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I share her home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids when we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. I'm barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight.
Wow, so nice.
郁培，嗱，我睇到歌單咧，見到你揀 Perfect 呢隻歌咧，我一啲都唔 surprise 嘅。其實係咪一路諗住都揀英文歌嚟到即係搏鬥啊？繼續落去。
唔係嘅，其實趁而家仲有機會啦，好想唱翻首歌，多謝我老婆，因為即係冇佢，其實我都參加唔到呢個比賽。講真，
你有冇批准佢着到咁 deep 㗎個 V？ 佢今日有係嘛？你剪嘅親自揾把鉸剪剪低佢嘅係嘛？
呢首係本身係諗住係婚禮唱嘅，咁但係咧，我 march in 嘅時候，我自己都要 march in 啊嘛。係。咁冇得一齊唱一齊 march。我一路唱住咁 march in 好奇怪，同埋佢係即係我自從參加個比賽，咁亦都即係冇做其他工作嘅。咁係咯，即係佢係一直喺後邊。
辛苦晒你啦！好啦，我哋請埋豬豬上嚟，我哋聽聽評審對 Perfect 有咩意見先。好，周錦鋒老師。
嗱，我本身咧，就好中意 Perfect 呢首歌嘅，即係 Ed Sheeran 嘅歌啦。咁所以變咗咧，好潛意識地對呢一隻歌嘅要求咧就會好高。你問我係咪好中意阿郁培嘅版本咧，我就麻麻嘅。即係成首歌咧，由頭到尾，我會覺得咧，咦，點解有少少拉牛上樹嘅感覺，而我感覺唔到咧嗰種嘅甜蜜啫。喺我認知裏邊咧，郁培處理英文歌，無論嗰個 groove 啦，又或者 嗰個連接咧，我覺得係可以比呢一首 Perfect 咧係嚟得更加好嘅。
阿媽，
我又幾中意喎，尤其是佢一路唱一路望住，我唔知佢老婆喺度。我覺得佢唱嘅 Perfect 同 original 嘅 Perfect 係唔同。人嘅感情咧就唔係個個有嘅，但係嚇我冇話你嚇，即係咁講啊，feel 到佢係用真心去唱呢一隻歌，我就覺得即係唔知係咪我哋係女人，我覺得好冧咯，所以我啲分都好冧嘅。
嗯，好啦，睇下可怡老師冧唔冧？
冧。咁我覺得咧，其實兩個都唱得非常好啊。我覺得你哋嘅 dynamic stretch 個 stretch 嘅 range 係比較細咯，我會話。同埋你聽嘅第一次同第二次 repeat 嘅時候，個 difference 係唔算好多嘅，所以我就冇，我覺得你哋可以 deserve higher points。That's all I'm saying。
即係兩位都拉扯得，可能可以再拉扯得勁啲，咁個分都一齊拉扯，睇睇。OK， 88分，咁啊，郁培，恭喜你啊！你捍衛到你個寶座，咁啊，豬豬咧就可以去呢邊嘅等候區。Thank you。